We will form up, we will deal with you in partnership with the security agencies.
Shifting focus, there was joy after Aldai Technical Training Institute celebrated the second graduation ceremony with 1,086 graduates. Principal Secretary Dr. Esther Moria, the PS State Department for TVET, said the nation's competitiveness is anchored on the quality of its skills, the productivity of its workforce, and capacity to translate knowledge into practical solutions. Nandi Governor Stephen Sang said the national government has invested heavily in infrastructure, equipment for learning, and urged youth in Aldai constituency and some parts of Nandi County to take advantage of the training facility.
This is our second graduation ceremony where we graduated 1086 graduates in various fields in 7 departments. The institute was initiated in 2015, where we opened our gates in 2015, and we have had 2 graduation ceremonies, and today we were celebrating our students who have gained skills and are out there in the industry. We have students who have even gone for work abroad and study abroad under the Kazi Maju program.
We want to encourage our young people to go into the world of work with courage, and to encourage even the ones who are here and those who have not yet come to come and join this institution, because we have crafted the curricula very well. 6 months and beyond, you are certified, and then you can go to the world of work, continue coming back, and you can go up and even join the university if you so desire.
Now, youth groups in Vihiga County are being urged to turn the growing waste crisis into an economic opportunity.